beautiful people! What's up? Welcome to my channel. This is me, Subhangi. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful glam neutral smoky eye look. So stick with me till the end. So without wasting any further time, let's get started! To prime my face, I'm gonna use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. First of all, I'm gonna brush my brows using a spoolie. To fill in my brows, I'm gonna use this Beauty Color Eyebrow Powder. I'm mixing both the colors to get the desired shade. To define my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. Now let's move on to face, and for foundation I'm gonna use this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. And this is in the shade W320 Warm Caramel. I've also shared the review of this foundation. If you haven't checked the video yet, make sure to watch it. Link is in the description box. Using the Swiss Beauty Concealer again to brighten up my face. To set my concealer, I'm gonna use this Lakme Radiance Compact in the shade Natural Marble. And I'm also setting the rest of my face with the powder. Now let's move on to eyes. To prime my eyes, again I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Now I'm setting the concealer with the same powder. Today I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Color Icon My Glamour Squad eyeshadow palette. I've already done my left eye look as you can see, and now I'm gonna start my right eye look. First, I'm taking this brown shade in a pencil brush and creating a fake crease because I have hooded eyes and blending it out. Next, I'm dipping the pencil brush into this shade to deepen and define my crease. Now, I'm taking this black shade in a fluffy blending brush and focusing it into my outer corner. Now I'm mixing these two colors in an angular blending brush and blending it with the black shade to create a seamless transition from the outer corner towards the inner corner. I'm using the corner of the brush to blend it. Now, taking some black shade into the pencil brush, I'm creating a wing in the outer corner, and taking some more black shade in the angular blending brush, I'm blending it in to make it look smooth. Now, I'm applying this beautiful golden shimmer in my lid with my finger. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm applying this brown shade in my lower lash line using a pencil brush. Taking some black in the same pencil brush, I'm smoking out the previous shade. Now, I'm taking this shade in a fluffy blending brush and blending out the harsh lines. Now I'm taking this shimmer to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm gonna use this MAC black eye pencil in my waterline. I did my eyeliner off camera, and today I haven't done a winged eyeliner. And now let's curl the lashes. Next I'm gonna apply this Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Using Oriflame Jordani Gold Bronzing Pearls in the shade Dark Bronze, I'm gonna bronze my face. gonna use this Miss Rose Blush Glow Kit number 02. I'm gonna pick this shade. Now I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty Brick Highlighter number 02. Lined my lips and now I'm gonna fill in my lips using this Huda Beauty Liquid Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Famous. Now I'm gonna fix my makeup using Kiss Beauty Aloe Fresh Makeup Fix Spray. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Tuesday, so hit the ding ding bell icon so that you never miss an update. Make sure to follow me and my sister on Instagram and do like my Facebook page. Links are in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care and don't forget that you are beautiful. And I wish you all a very happy Pride Month. We are all different, we are all unique, we are all beautiful. So don't be afraid to express yourselves. Love you all. Bye bye.